Hi friends, we have a Tkinter application here. Here is in this window there is a text wizard. We can enter any text here. I am just pasting some line of text. Now this text, once I click this button generate PDF, this text is transferred or it is saved in a PDF file. This file was a blank file was there. I'll just reload it now. So it should reflect, yes, it is reflecting whatever I have entered from here. So this data is passed, the user entered data is passed to a PDF file. We'll learn about this. This is our simple layout of our Tkinter application. You can see we have imported the Tkinter here. So far it is nothing to do with PDF. We are just trying to show our application, and beyond that, once the data is submitted, then we will go for the PDF. So this is we are some importing some constants, and here is the geometry, means 800 width and 500 the height of the window. Then title, then one label we are entering here, so to display that your data, whatever text you want to write, you can write it. Then this is our text wizard or text area, wherever we will take the user inputs. We are given intentionally here the yellow background. You can change it to anything. This part to just differentiate from the window. So, and some height, because based on the text you want to keep it height and width we have managed, and place it on our grid layout. And at the end below that there is a button which reads that generate PDF. So again we have placed it on a grid layout. So row 2, column, in the third row actually, first one is the label. You can see the row is 0, then row 1, then row 2, and slightly we don't want to flush it to the left edge, so pad X 20, and from the top pad Y. Everywhere we have given a pad X, so we are not flushing it with the left edge. So I'm just saving this. Let's see how this window looks. Here it is. You can see this is the our whatever T1 yellow background, then upper top at the we kept a label, and here the button generate PDF. If I can go on clicking, because nothing will happen because we have not coded anything. We'll get the PDF libraries now. So I am just pasting some data here, some lines of code, the few lines of code up to this 33 I have pasted. So you can see we are importing the canvas, the paragraph style. This previous video you can see the entirely we have discussed about the paragraph, how it can be styled and all, and here we have imported the paragraph and the style is there. So the size of the letter, it is A4, or you can take it as a letter, whatever you want to take it, you can take it. So here some style properties are declared. So these styles, font size 16, alignment 0, border width, border color, back color, means this is the background color, border padding, leading is the spacing between the lines. So this is the font name, the default font family, whatever we are using. Now these styles we have entirely discussed in the previous video about the paragraph. So because we are going some multi-line text, we'll see how this style fits in that. And the next is this my path, this variable. My path is where our file will be stored. In your case, this definitely you will be storing it in a different place, so this value will going to change. And this was this particular file name, my underscore PDF file. So this file will be again and again writing, or first time it will be created, next time it will be overwritten. So every time we have to refresh it to reflect the changes in whatever we do. So we are just, next line, we are just reading the whatever the size we have taken. If you have taken a letter, the width and height will take the value that, because some relatively will be will be placing our paragraph on the PDF file, so we have kept it in a variable. Let us connect the code to our button. So here it is, our button. When I click it, generate PDF, it is there. Now here I am saying command is because what happens when the button is clicked. So lambda, so once I write a lambda here, what I am telling is you gen PDF, this function you execute, or I am telling generate PDF. I am just written gen PDF. You can give any name, whatever. So now let's come down a bit. Here we'll write our function. So we'll say define gen underscore PDF. So this is the function which will be triggered once the button is clicked. What is the first thing we'll do? First thing we'll do inside this is to read what the user has entered, equal to t1 dot get Now how I will start from the first character. So I am specifying 1.0, I am specifying that till end. So this will take care of all the data, this line. And you can see here at the top I have imported it. Here it is. So this constant I am using, here it is. So this, now the entire whatever data is entered in the text widget, I am just collecting it, storing it a variable text. Now what happens to that, this once I do that, I have to pass it to a paragraph. So for that, in PDF I am saying p1 equal to paragraph. Now once it is a paragraph, what first I have to tell what's my variable is text, whatever data just above I have created it. So now I am associating the style, what we have so far discussed. Style, that what this style, this should take this style and accordingly write the text, create the paragraph. Now paragraph is written, fine. Where it should go? For that purpose I am writing a canvas, c equal to canvas, sorry it is lowercase, canvas dot, here it is uppercase canvas. Now in that canvas I have to specify where it should be, my path. My path is line number 32. You can see here, this is where actually I am using this path to create the my library, create my PDF file. So page size, I am just specifying what page size it is. Page size is, I have already declared it A4. So I have already used and imported all the dimensions of page size here. So that I am using. My canvas is ready. Over this canvas I will be writing my paragraph. So what I will say, p1 dot wrap on. This will actually tell me the dimension, how much space is allocated for that. So on my canvas, see what should be the width of it. I am giving 300 and height is 50. That much 300 width and height is 50. That much layout you keep it for this paragraph. That's what I am saying to the canvas. Now, but that's not enough, because where it should go, that 300 it should be at the left, right, top, bottom. What position? What is the XY position? For that, I have to say P1 draw on where you should be. It is C, and now I am using the variable width minus 450. And width already, that A4 size width at line number 33, you can see that. Sorry, WID width minus 450, and then I am saying height minus 350. So sorry, it is let's give 350. Okay, so this is the location of the paragraph. I am just saying here location of paragraph. Now this is the dimension of the paragraph. So this entire code you can download it. So all these are available. So now these two are done. Now what I will do, I will save it now. Okay, fine. That's I think this completes my basic thing. Let's just save once and run it. I am running it here. Let's see where is, yeah, it has come up. So I am just intentionally giving a lines here, because we have to do little more work. This is line, I will say this is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. Okay, you can go now generate PDF. What happened? Any error? No error. So let me just go to my PDF file and see it is here. Okay, my PDF, I am refreshing it. Yeah, it has come up. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. Fine. But this is not what is required. Where are my line breaks? We'll learn that how to introduce. Before using this text, we'll introduce a replace command here. So we'll replace the text with, by using text equal to text dot replace. This is a string function actually. So it searches for a particular string and replace it with another if it matches. So what you are saying, search for this. This is our line break. This comes in our whatever the data we enter, there each line break is represented by this. So this you search and replace with what? replace with I am just br and forward slash here. That's all. So what happened, I will write here replace the line breaks. Now what happens here, you just remember this is the line break in our PDF doc paragraphs, whatever line break text. It has if you are from HTML background or you know HTML, line break is given by BR, but it will not have any end tag. It has only one tag only. So but here it is the way exactly it has to match, otherwise this line break won't work. Now line break will come. Now let me just save this and running once. I hope I closed. Okay, no error, so fine. Yeah, so I'm saying line 1, line 2, line 3. Fine, I'll generate the PDF. Now let me just go to my, here it is. So let's replace this, and once I am replacing, yeah, here you got the line breaks now. So now one more thing, once you click this data, whatever is available here, this must go, or this should be deleted, because it will be ready for the next to receive the next set of data. That we'll see. I will add 2 lines of code now. T1 dot delete. Where from it should delete? Right from the beginning 1.0 comma till end. So and T1 dot update. So now my data is removed from the, once it is saved, this here it is, once the PDF file is written, the data is removed and it is ready. Let's just run it once. So here it is. So line 1, line 2, line 3, whatever you want to write it, generate the PDF. Now this data has gone. Let's just check it off where it is, how far here it is. Let's just refresh it. Okay, earlier also same thing was there. Let me write something else and see. Let me see, write PHP, then I am writing MySQL, then I am writing Python. Okay, continue whatever you want. Now refresh. Now refresh this. So here it is. So whatever data is there, it is including the line breaks. That's all, friends. We can further improve it and add lot of features of adding some, say, underline text, all those, even styles are there. PDF styles can take care of it. We have already discussed about our styles and all. So if you have any doubt, question or suggestion how to improve it further, and this is developed based on a question also. One visitor asked a question how to do that, and this is developed on that basis. So please ask your questions and suggest the improvements. So accordingly we'll modify our script also. And I request you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and please share this video with all your friends and request them to subscribe also. Thank you for watching.